Alright guys, we're here to check out the 2024 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS Outboard that just arrived here in Brick, New Jersey. Beautiful whole side color here. It is the gray Kingston upgrade. You can see this is a crossover style boat, so it is a bow rider with the cabin below. You can see the port windows on the starboard side there. As we come around to the transom, this is the first 34 GLS that we have had with the 400s. New for this year and for cruisers for the 2024 model year. This boat will do over 50 miles an hour, as with the 300s, it does 46 miles an hour. Before we get to the boat, we'll check out the motors again. What's great about the new 400 V10s, easy access to add oil, change oil, and to lift your cowling off. Impressive motors. Can't wait to test them out. Here at the transom of the boat, you can see that we did the dolphin gray interior color, which is their ultra leather interior. You do have some maneuverability with your seats. A rear facing seat here when anchored up. This seat will also convert into a lounger. As we make our way into the cockpit, port side wet bar with grill, refrigerator, and a garbage can. What I really love about cruisers is their attention to detail. These back seats are hinged to make it easy to get in and out. Nice deep storage throughout, and that continues on both sides. Another impressive feature is the rather large hardtop. Great coverage from the sun, and then you also have the additional sunshade that comes back. You will notice that up on the hardtop we do have a Simrad radar, which is great for when you get caught in a dense fog or in a storm. When seated, we do have a cockpit table that can pop in right here. Also, you'll notice great courtesy lighting underneath all the seats, and then it also accentuates the beautiful sea deck that runs throughout the boat. Making our way up to the helm, you do have a nice drawer fridge right underneath your helm seat. And then also check out the color-changing stereo speakers and subwoofer. Up here at the helm, you have a double-wide captain seat with a companion seat on the port side. Beautiful leather-bound wheel. Twin Simrad screens. Joystick with skyhook integrated into the module. Now that we made our way into the cabin, beautiful woodwork here with their table. This table will lower with a dedicated storage for the filler cushion to make this into a nice resting platform. You also have microwave and refrigerator down below. This is air conditioned, and we do have a generator on board. Starboard side head. This is a wet head. Nicely appointed storage underneath the sink and above. In the aft of the cabin, we have a dedicated sleeping area with reading lights. Up here on the top side of the boat, we'll make our way up to the helm. I do want to mention that this boat does not have a step up in the bow, so it is level throughout. Great bow seating up here. Fold down cup holder and armrests. You do have another table that can sit up here, radio controls, and windlass controls. Great attention to detail there in the headrest with the 34 GLS embroidery. Underneath the bow seating, you do have access to your Yeti cooler. Alright everybody, thank you for your time today. This is the 2024 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS Outboard. It is located here in Brick, New Jersey. Come check it out or check it out online.